All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the students to give you an audio response to a question. Let's start a new one. We go to the plus sign. Let me title it real quick. Audio response is what we're going to learn how to do here. So audio response is the first option under add a question. And the students will be able to record an audio, and I'll show you what that looks like after we get a question typed in. I'm going to give the kids a picture here, and then I'm going to ask them to tell me about how they would go about solving this picture. So I'm going to add an image, and I think I have one saved in my computer all the way at the bottom. Maybe, there it is. All right, so I have this picture, and that looks a little fuzzy, so we can shrink it up a little bit. And then here's my question. Here's a system of linear equations. I don't want them to solve it, but I just want them to tell me what method of solution you would choose to solve this and why. So there's my question. I'm not so much interested in the solution, but given this system, what method would they use? And they should know they could either graph it or use substitution method or use the elimination method. So I would want the students to give me a verbal response on which method they're choosing. So you set up the question, and then the students will record a response. And this is what it looks like for them. And the students would go right here and click, and it would start recording their answer and say, I would use the elimination method because the 3y is negative and this 3y is positive, and they will drop out if you add the equations, blah, blah, blah. That's it. They will use their laptop to record their response. And they should be able to hear and play back. And it would start recording their answer and say, I would. All right. So pretty easy. And that way it's so nice, especially with distance learning and the online options, and it's so impersonal. Sometimes having an audio response is really nice to hear your students' voices. So I like using that one a lot, especially when you're asking them to justify something or just talk about a choice or whatever. Lots of reasons to use it. That's it.